So today we're looking at probably, for me at least, one of the more inexpensive sets of earbuds that I've seen on Amazon. Yeah. So these are the AChoice P1s. They say the headphone Bluetooth true wireless earbuds, power display with deep bass, 60 hours of standby earbuds with mic, touch control, waterproof, in-ear sport earbuds. Yeah. For $19.99, this is US, 4.5 stars with 229 reviews at time of filming. I do like on the Amazon listing. I do like the look of the case. It's kind of cool looking. So this is the box right here. We're gonna crack it open. Take a look at what it comes with. We're gonna pair it with my phone. Take a listen. See what we think of the sound, and do a quick mic test, and that'll be today's video. Okay, so again, here's their listing for you guys if you're interested. I will put links down below to Amazon's website so you guys can head on over there to take a look. If you're got $20 to blow and you're like, I want some earbuds because maybe you don't have any, or maybe you want a spare, or you're traveling or whatever, and you're like, I just want something that if they get damaged or broken or lost or whatever, $20, you know, it's not that big an investment, right? Here's the box, P1s right there, P1s. Wireless earbuds. Not much on the box itself, which is fine. We have some little tape there. Just gonna get through that. Nice. And pop them open. Okay. So we got a user manual. Looks like a decent sized user manual, which was good. I got some kind of weird cat hair or something on my face. Yeah, decent size. The fonts are a little small, but I think they're fairly legible. Right? Shows you what's coming in them. Actually, it's a bunch. You guys can see that there. You can see that there. Am I talking today? A bunch of languages. Really, you're looking at about 10 pages per language, so not too bad. There's the earbuds. We'll look at those in a second. What are you getting here? You get. What is this? What is this? It's a weird little rolly paper. Oh, these are extra tips. Okay, so you get some extra tips, and you get a USB-A to. I think that's USB-C. Looks USB-C-ish, if you guys can see that, right? Yeah, so that's good. All right, that's okay. I like it when it's not a crazy long cable again, but I like it when it's USB-C. That means it's at least a little newer. I put those on the wrong side. Doesn't matter. Okay, and last but not least, $20 earbuds. Yep, $20 earbuds. What can you get? What do you get for $20? Oh yeah, that's a cool little case. I like that. That's kind of stylish, right? Right there. You guys can see that wherever I am. Yeah, that's all right. I like the looks of that. And what do they say? 60 hours of standby or something like that? 60 hours of standby. All right. And we'll bring my phone over here because there's your so USB-C. You guys can see the USB-C right there. USB-C. Oh, they just lit up. You saw that? I don't know what I did. Maybe I opened the case a little bit. Boom. So they started pairing. They got little lights. Oh, I like that light thing. That's cool. Let's go into my Bluetooth here on my phone. Do they show up in the bottom? P1s. Oops. Boom. So yeah, little P1s connected. I like that they have these cool little lights on there with a clear case. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Magnet seems fairly strong. Now they do definitely have a little bit more of they're auto playing. So they do have a little bit more, hopefully against you guys can see that, a little bit more of a, I want to say a plasticky feel, but again, you're spending $20, right? So they don't feel, even just to the touch, like that same kind of quality that you'd get with earbuds that are more expensive, but you're not spending more expensive money. So $20, right? No active noise canceling, none of that, no bells and whistles. You're getting earbuds for music. Suck it up. I dig that. I really do. That's cool. I like that. All right, well they're in. You guys can see them. Is that sitting right? Seems to be sitting high. Is that sitting high? No, I guess that's good. Okay. It's okay. It's in there. Whoa. It's loud. Okay, well let's go into some music. Take a look, and we'll bring up my standard ones here. So telephone. All right, we're going to play that. And so surprisingly, they actually sound pretty good. I think you just got to make sure first off that you have the right size tips in there. Yeah, no, they're surprisingly good. Like they actually are have a nice crisp sound to them. So let's see what the bass is like. Oh yeah, you know, actually they may have a little bit too much, I want to say, crisp, but that's really personal preference. Volume wise, really nice. Sound clarity, really nice. And the bass is actually surprisingly good. All right. And just so you guys can see here too, you're looking at about 3 hours for the earbuds. As it says here, 60-hour standby time. 10 minutes if you're charging them in the case, will give you about 2 hours of playtime. So that's pretty good. All right. For $20, I'm actually shocked. Honestly, I was expecting that I would be like, and I'm gonna have to give a pretty bad review here, but no. And it looks like all the touch information. Well, maybe not. No, I thought maybe the touch was just on one side, but it's on both. It does have like this game mode too. So if you hold down, I think it's for 2 seconds. Yeah, you get this dot dot. And I think it's two beeps takes you into music mode and one beep goes into game mode. I can't remember which way it is, but you can switch between them back and forth. So yeah, no, they sound good. And then let's pull up some other just music real fast here. I'm gonna go to we'll try some Seether. Oh, they're loud. Oh, they are loud. Like, they're really loud. Yeah, you know what? For $20, you really can't complain too much for $20. They sound surprisingly well. Again, just realize that you're not getting any noise canceling or transparency mode. No bells and whistles. These are earbuds. These are just giving you wireless audio, right? So, but they do have a mic in it, and because they do have a mic in it, we are going to go and open up Filmic, because this way we can kind of test just to hear what the microphones are like. So let this load up here real fast and pick our audio, and it should have, let's see here. Hold on, no, I lost my P1s. Bluetooth microphone, there they are, P1s. Perfect. Okay, so ready? And now you should be hearing the audio coming from the P1s. So you guys are going to be able to get an idea of what you think they sound like. I usually find that earbuds that have no additional features like noise canceling and stuff, actually the microphones pick up quite good, because they're not trying to do any kind of post-processing or anything like that, so they just nice and clean. But you guys have an idea now. This is not touched by any means. Straight out of the microphones into the phone, and whatever the phone is actually recording. So that's kind of cool. All right, so we'll turn that off, and we will go back, just because the last thing I'd like to check is we'll go into our settings, and you can see the P1s right there. They're connected. So if we take these and just kind of put them in there, close them. I don't know if maybe this blue like fills up more depending on how much battery this has. It may be. Did they disconnect? They did. So they have a good disconnect feature. They reconnect nice and fast. Audio is surprisingly good for, again, $20 US. I was expecting to be like, yeah, these are going to sound like $20 earbuds. No, they're good. You know what? If you got $20 to spend, not a bad investment. For 229 other people to give it 4.5 star ratings, I'm gonna have to agree. I think if you got $20 and you're looking for earbuds, these may be the ones, or at least ones that you put on the list of possibilities. If you guys are interested, I will put links down below to the AChoice P1 headphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. And that's it for me today. like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Not bad, right? Yeah, and I like the case. The case is just, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Later, guys.